Are staying on top of that breaking news in Chula Vista. A semi there was on fire and it's causing serious traffic problems on the 805, even though that fire is out now. Let's get to photojournalist Ginny Creighton, who's live in our 10 News Breaking News Tracker. So Ginny, what's happening at this point?
Hey Virginia, the truck is over here in the far right lane of 805 northbound, just north of Bonita. It is causing a massive traffic tie-up. A lot of trucks that come from the border this time of day mixed in with the cars trying to get north. What you're looking at here, Virginia, this is the tractor of the tractor trailer rig. And from what I'm told from the battalion chief here from Chula Vista Fire, the sleeping quarters, that part in the back there where the driver would sleep if he was pulled over, he noticed it was on fire. He quickly pulled over here to the side of 805 northbound and Bonita, and the fire department was called. They put out the fire to the sleeping quarters, but they think the fire has extended in here to the paper and plastic products in the back of the truck. So they are going to have to unload every single piece inside that truck, and it's filled to the brim. So Virginia, traffic will be tight out here. There are only 2 lanes open out here, 805 northbound at the just north of Bonita. And again, it's going to be bad for a while because they will have to unload this entire truck.
Oh my goodness.
Back up to you in the studio.
All right, thank you, Ginny. It's going to take a while to clear it, so just be aware if you're heading that way, northbound 805 at Bonita.